shift she'd work even if it rained. They had to rearrange some beams. I drove that way even though the sign said don't drive that way. I was uncontainably curious. I drove that way even though the sign said don't drive that way. They were building something serious. Does your life pass before your eyes when you're looking up at 100,000 pounds of concrete? I understand why you play hard. You're like the boys in their Carhartts trying to keep the distance discreet. I drove that way even though the sign said don't drive that way. I was uncontainably curious. I drove that way even though the sign said don't drive that way. They were building something serious. Does your life pass before your eyes when you're looking up at 100,000 pounds of concrete? I understand now why you play hard. You're like the boys in their Carhartts trying to keep the distance discreet. I drove that way even though the sign said don't drive that way. I was uncontainably curious. I drove that way even though the sign said don't drive that way. They were building something serious. My friend Kat, she's a beautiful girl. She's afraid of not much. Got a body full of muscle and a head of brains. My friend Kat, she's a beautiful